Setting the maximum zoom level on your iPhone 16 allows you to customize the magnification strength according to your visual needs for better screen readability. Here's how it's done. To begin, go to the home screen and tap on the settings icon. From the settings menu, scroll down and tap on accessibility. To continue, tap on zoom. Now find maximum zoom level from the list of options. Once found, drag the slider right to increase zoom level, or to the left to decrease zoom level. You can test the zoom level immediately using the zoom controller to ensure it meets your needs. Should you find the need for necessary adjustments, just follow the same steps to return to the zoom settings and adjust the zoom level accordingly. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more smartphone tips and tutorial videos like this one.